Hello and welcome to Cooking with Konner. I am Konner and you are cooking with me. And today we got this guest, Memphis Rollins, in the house to start off season 2, episode 1.
I can't say how happy I am to be in season 2. I mean, I'm not even a guest anymore. I'm like actually just a partner now.
Yes, we will recruit Memphis into the assistant category. Kinsey out, Memphis in, because Kinsey's actually bunk now. Hasn't been with us in a while, but we're starting off strong by making, for the first episode of season 2, we will be making, Memphis, hit him with it,
Pizza!
When making pizza, there are 4 different types of, there's 4 categories, 4 sections to making pizza. There's the dough, which we're gonna start out with. There's the sauce, raw sauce.
Raw sauce.
Then there is the toppings, gotta make the right toppings to have a good pizza.
Good pizza.
Good pizza! And then the actual baking part, to see if it will turn out, which most likely it won't. Here are the ingredients. So, as you just saw the ingredients right there, those are all the ingredients you need, but right now, for making the dough first, we need active dry yeast, 2 packets of that's what we're gonna start out with, as well as sugar, olive oil,
Let me hear confusing. Let him just give me
Let me hear his thing.
He's got the answer.
as well as all-purpose flour.
Yeah. Always you need that stuff. Why do we need sugar?
We will find out why, Memphis. But here we go. We're finna start it right now. Ready? Cue the camera. Once you get all those ingredients, we're then going to need a large bowl. And I haven't done this magic in a while, I feel like. So, bang! Oh, it feels good. Feels good to do this magic. So what we're gonna do with this large bowl is we're gonna fill it up with 1.5 cups of warm water.
Drop.
All right, guys, we got the 1.5 cups of warm water, and now we're finna pour it in.
I thought I was gonna pour it in.
I'm pouring this one in. You can pour the other one in.
Fine.
So after putting warm water in the large bowl, we are then going to take these yeast. What is it, Memphis? I forgot what it's called already.
The yeast!
Alright, we're gonna take that and we're gonna sprinkle it inside this water mixture. And we're going to need 2 packets of this. So, I don't know, I'm too scared to disconnect these, so I'm just gonna pour this one in first and then you can pour the next one in.
Alright.
So it's just sprinkle.
Ooh, that'd be some good yeast. Yeast!
Yeah, so sprinkle it in. All around. Alright, Memphis. You're up.
So I just gotta sprinkle it.
You just gotta sprinkle it.
Got it.
Okay, I'm really scared. It's just cut. Good thing we have scissors right here, guys.
Skysaurus.
What?
No, what?
What?
What did you say?
Skysaurus? What?
What did you say?
What? What?
Hey, there you go. Hey.
I just gotta be like.
You try to
sprinkle
sprinkle
like-
it. Sprinkle in the
Yes!
Okay, don't do that.
Oh, my wrist, guys.
Okay, and once you sprinkle in the yeast, I should have done that.
Yeah, you really shouldn't have.
It smells awful. All right. Anyways, after sprinkling in the yeast,
Smells like
it's
cat
gonna take about 5 minutes roughly for it to turn foamy, and basically you have to wait that, and it's gonna turn foamy. You'll see it, and then it will be the next step. So So we got some bad news, guys. So when we were making the yeast, you know, when we were sprinkling in, we realized that the yeast was over a year,
Expired.
Yeah, over a year expired, like a year and a month expired. And because of that, we had to compromise and get this pre-made pizza crust. So it's gonna be much easier. Even though we're such great cooks, you know, we're really good.
Yeah.
We don't need something like this. All right, now, so the first step as normal, Memphis, I'll give you.
First, we need to preheat the oven to 450 degrees.
450. Who knows if an oven can even go that high? Be my guess.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. 450. Hey. Alright, so after you preheat the oven, we are then going to get half a cup of hot water. Not boiling, not warm, but hot. And Memphis is gonna be coming into the frame any second. But to pour it in this bowl, alright? You didn't even fill it up all the way.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't fill up all the way, so.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I actually dunked you, bro. Once the hot water is in the bowl, we are then going to take our packet of pre-made, this is Betty Crocker, just in case I get a sponsor. Betty Crocker pizza crust, and you're gonna place it in the warm water. I really feel like this is not like enough water.
It is. It said 1/2 cup.
All right, but this is a lot of crap, like a lot of stuff.
Maybe it's only, maybe it's like Lay's potato chips and they only fill it up like halfway.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Oh well. Alright, this could go terribly bad. Grab the whisker. Once we pour this in, it is then going to be whisked. Once your mantine has been just like sitting for 5 minutes, I don't know why it has to. Anyways, we are then going to place the dough into a circular pan. But you know, we're savages, so we don't do circular pans, but we do have this pan. This is a square, not even square, it's a rectangle. But we're finna make a pizza on this because we're dank savages. So Memphis, come and hand me a hand. It says precisely 2. Press dough into 12-inch circle or on whatever. Use floured fingers. Add toppings. We'll add toppings later. Wait.
Why do you have to have floured hands?
So it doesn't stick to our hands. So
I'm going to get the flour!
we're gonna do this. So we got our
Don't we need to
flour.
sprinkle some flour on there too?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, so the flour helps it.
Yeah, so taking the flour, we're gonna hit them with the. You can sprinkle the flour on. We're gonna take it, and we're gonna line it up. All right. How do you think you do this?
No, you gotta put it on here. Get some of the flour.
All right, and now what do? We press it. Does it say press? It said press. Oh wait, get one of those roll. Do we need rolling pins?
Oh yeah.
I don't know where rolling pins at.
I'll roll it.
All right, hold up. Let's try to shape it like a circle.
Alright.
So Memphis is now going to roll the dough. So this right here is our dough. It's very perfect. There's no cracks or wrinkles in it. So yeah, this is what we're going with. We are onto the raw sauce.
Raw sauce.
Right? And we're gonna make this sauce of all homemade ingredients. We got like stuff like all these different like spices, you know what I mean? Spices, you know what I mean? Spices, you know what I mean? It's like all this lit stuff. Yeah. First things first, we're gonna need a large bowl. Hey. Once we have this large bowl, we're going to combine tomato paste with a bunch of these spices. All right, so we're gonna go do that. Ready, Memphis? It's gonna be lit. So you're gonna want to get your pizza sauce, and you're gonna want to take your pizza crust, and then you're gonna want to pour it on, and you're gonna want to use this to like. So we're finna do that, and then we're gonna add some different spices on it to make it super nice.
Yo, you're actually weak. Wait.
I'm cutting this right. Once you actually get your pizza sauce open, we're then going to pour it over.
This doesn't seem like a good idea.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
You put it in a bowl first and then put it on there, because if you make a mistake, then it's already on the pizza.
Now we're gonna take this.
Look
spoon.
at this dude!
We're gonna take this spoon and spread it around. Can you hold this pan down?
Boy!
You put the sauce on.
Raw sauce.
We're then going to add our toppings, and our choice of toppings are cheese and pepperoni. So Memphis, get the cheese and pepperoni. That's real nice.
Dude, are you eating it? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, you're supposed to eat it after you make it, dude. You're actually low-key stupid!
Once the cheese is strategically placed on the pizza,
Strategically.
we're then going to put the pepperoni slices very perfectly on it. After that, we are moving to near the final step. We are finna take this pizza, put it into the oven for 12 to 17 minutes. Gang, you know we're about to put this pizza in the oven. Open the oven. It said place it at the bottom rack. Should I actually place it at the bottom rack?
No, just put it.
All right, boys. Oh. Oh my gosh, that thing's popped. Freaked me out. I've never been more scared in my whole life.
God, dude, you stop popping it, dude. You actually
Stupid!
All right, we put that ting in there,
that tinger
and we're finna set the timer
for
for 12 minutes. And we're just gonna let that cook. So, we finished our pizza. This is the master. This is the masterpiece.
Yeah,
So nice.
dude.
I've never seen a more perfect pizza. It rolled into one. So now we are going to try it in this new section called the table. And that's gonna be the intro. I'm like, all right, and then we're gonna go back here. All right, here we go. We're about to try it. Let me just try some of the crust first.
Yeah, try a little bit of the crust. Yes. Is the crust good? Wow.
It doesn't really have any flavor. It just tastes like crust. It doesn't have any like garlic stuff on it.
There's a pizza roller.
Why do you need the pizza roller?
To eat slices of pizza, like.
What should we rate this out of 10?
How about a 10 out of 10, boy?
I rate it somewhere a little bit around